Well, welcome my fellow travelers to your traveling buddy here, coming today from Mason, Michigan. And I'm down here to visit something that I've done to before. Today they're having the Steam Engine Institute show. It's about a show where they bring down old tractors and stuff like that that are run by steam and all that. So this is going to be fun. So this was cool last time. I can't wait to see what they got here this time. So travel with me, will you? Like I said, this is Mason, Michigan, and this is where you go entrance. It costs $10 to get in for adult. So, but yeah, there's all kinds of tractors. You can see one right there. There's one going right there. They have like little tractor pulls and stuff like that. With these things, this was cool last time. I can't wait to go in this. When I heard this was going on again, so I had to get down here. Check this out. Just got in. Look at this old truck. That's nice. But yeah, see, you guys already seen something right here. Look at all these steam engines. See, like here, right here, here's the one. Look at this thing. Hey. It's like a tractor. I mean, well, like a train almost, but it's a tractor. Look at that. That is so cool. See, right here is where the fire goes in. See, it's just like an old steam train. There's an old tractor right there. Little old bulldozer. Look at this. Look at this thing here. I swear to God, like I said, it looks like an old locomotive, but it's an actual tractor. That's what they used to use back in the day. I mean, look at that. The Palmers, Mason, Michigan. Wow. Look at that. J.I. Case. That's pretty cool. He's got him shoveling the coal. See, that's what they wheel it with. You gonna drive that big thing?
I'm working on a YouTube video.
Yes. Well, I tell you what, I'm standing right next to it. You can feel the heat coming from that thing. I said that's off fire and water. See, right here is where they get the water. So these guys are filling up with water and coal. Look at this one. Look at the size of that metal tire. And that's metal. That's not rubber. That's metal. Holy cow. Thing is huge. Oh, all over this. Look at the eagle on the front. See the steam? I mean, that thing is huge. Like I said, this is about steam engines, but they also gonna see regular tractors here too. Look at that. Look at that one. Old tractor. Here comes another old John. Looks like an old John Deere. Oh, this one you could actually take a ride on. Look at that. Actually take you for a ride. We'll have to do that later on. This is cool. I love how they got their kids involved in this. Look at this. They're about to take off right here. Comes another tractor. Another John Deere. That's so cool. You can see the water coming out of the bottom. Oh, he's going to get coal. That's what he's doing. He's backing up to get coal. Here comes one right here. Look at this one. Check this out, that's cute. Love the trailer and so you're gonna see other tractors here too, but this is mostly about steam. You know, say this is the gas powered ones here. Old style. Look at this one here. Oh wow, look at this one. That's real old school right there. I say that looks like a train. They even got a roof over the engine. Mogul kerosene. The kerosene engine. Look at all these. Oh, this one's from Port Huron. Look at. I've been to Port Huron. Engine and Trestle Company. See, look at the coal. This is where they keep the coal.
You gotta ask them.
Oh, check this one out. This one's cool. I love the color on that one. Look at that steam coming out of there. I don't want to get too close because that is hot. That's why I'm standing right here and you can feel the heat coming from there. See, they even got other stuff here like this here for an old sawmill. This is what they used to run the old sawmill with. See how they got the belt looped around there, goes down here, and then there's a saw blade. They're going to demonstrate this later. Look at that, they got two tractors to run this. There's one there, there's one there. Here you go, here's the demonstration of it. They got a big one running this one, look at. There's a planer. And that big old tractor right there is running this. And over here, there's the saw blade. So it's kind of actually that's running both of these. See, it's running that for the planer, and then for the actual. See, he's gonna cut it right there. That's incredible how they do that, you know. But they said they didn't have electricity back in the day. Old machine power there. Before that, it was manpower, you know. Horses, you find horses and stuff like that. Look at that, they even got an old crane. There's an old crane right here. It's a steam-powered crane. Oh, look, they even got this one in memory of somebody. In memory of George Gilland. He died last year, in 2019. Wow. That must have been his. Check this out. Look at this old car that they've modified. It was like the Flying Cloud. Because they have more modern seats in it, but that's pretty cool. Check out this little thing. Oh yeah, that's cool. Come on guys, look at this. I mean, look at, I'm standing in front of this tire on this thing. Look how big that is. That is huge. Check this one out. This one's kind of interesting. Look, you can see the water right there, like a radiator. Look, he's pulling the whole That's cool. I like that. That'd be cool if I could get somebody to let me ride with them. Oh look, they're gonna blow the whistles. It's noon, everybody. That's what that means. It's noon. That's definitely one way to tell you it's lunchtime. It just hit noon, so that's why they did all that. Yeah, that was cool. Look at the tracks that these guys make. I mean, so later they're gonna have tractor pulls right about here. Actually, right there. There's the sled. So they're gonna have tractor pulls. Check this one out. Look at here. Look at this guy's driving. That is a baby one. Look at it. Look at that. That is cool. Look at that small little one. I love it. Look at that small steering wheel. That is so cool. There's an old Caterpillar. Wow. See, look at the cab is wooden. And all these old tractors, like, man, look at that. It's cool that they keep these things alive, you know. Instead of scrapping them. I mean, that is awesome. These you usually see out in farmer's field or something, you know, just riding away. It's cool that somebody actually took them. Look at this. This is a Ford. Fordson. It's an old Ford. And look at that. That's how you have to start it right there. That's the crank. It's all these old tractors. Oh my God, look at this. Holy cow. I didn't expect this. Look at a rat rod. Wow. I like rat rod. Oh. Hey, look, I got used to it. Wow, look at that. Funny feeling that's a tractor engine. Wow, that is cool. Class of 46. Man, look at that. Look at the gun. Now that's a rat rod. I like his license plate. Jalopy. This one out, I'm not sure what he's making, but he's running this thing here, running the pump. Man, look at that. So they built this wagon here. It's Radio Flyer, it says on it. That's cool. I like this guy's shirt. Look at it. It says, "Steam lives matter. We burn coal and break ground." Somerset, Virginia. I love it. Check this out. Got an old snowplow. Especially an old snowplow. Look at that. I remember having a Tonka truck like that. I don't know if you can hear me alright. There's this guy over here, but yeah. I used to have a toy like that. Look at that. He's about to break me. Check this one out. Look at the barrel on the side of it. Advance. Engine number 9824. That's pretty cool. And look at the size of these gears on these things, man. Look at that. That's some huge gears. I mean, look at this one over here. This one is a big, I like the Boss. Now this one has some history. Look at this. This is called the Fairbanks Morse engine. Type N, built in 1913. 40 horsepower at 220 RPM. The engine was a co-op owned by Flour Mill in 1913 in Rogers City, Michigan. It ran the mill until 1929 when the mill closed. After the mill closed, the engine was moved to a sawmill in Rogers City area. The engine was taken apart and moved to and reassembled at the sawmill. It ran the sawmill until 1957. The engines used until 1966. The engine moved to its place at Grass Lake, Michigan, and restored it in 1980. And then it came here. The engine now owned by the Rhoda family. Wow. Now that's some history right there. This out. This is a steamroller. See the big wheel on the front? That's how they used to make the roads. It's an old steamroller. Wow. I mean, I like this. They got this little girl driving this thing. Look at that. That's cool. And I think he's actually giving rides on this thing. I'll have to see about that. But yeah, look at it. He's got a little girl driving that thing. That is cool. Notice that one is actually using wood to fuel that one, not coal. This tiny little one, look at that. Not as small as that one, but that is pretty cool. Look, they got that one running. That is so cool. Alright, we're gonna take a ride on one of these tractors. This is cool. That was fun. I like that's free. You know, so you didn't have to pay to do that. Just jump on. You know, just tell them you're jumping on, like this guy is, and then take you around. They even have a shuttle to take you up to your car if you wanted to, but they're actually moving the crane. Look at. I think they're gonna pick up one of these logs. Whew. Stand back. Sure exactly what he's doing, but you see this guy, he's pumping something right there. Can you imagine how much work that took just to get that thing to do, you know, what it has to do. And you think about it, you know, look at the machineries like that. That built America right there. That's kind of machinery that built America. Check this out, they got souvenirs here you can buy. They actually taking pieces of wood that they cut, and it's got like the steam engine on there, Mason, Michigan, and it's only $1. Not bad at all. So they'll actually stamp it for you. See, right there's the fire. There's the stamps. You might have to get one. See, here he is. He's stamping them. See. Definitely hot. Too long. There we go. I got me a souvenir from it. See? Got the little steam engine on there. All that. Mason. Oh, now check that out. Now that's a big wheel. Oh, wow. Now that's a big wheel. That's how they took the whole tractor. This is a G.I. Joe. U.S. Army. That is cool. Look at it, you got trailer. I love it. Look, he even got a gun on there. I love it. That's creative. I like it.
Yeah, and that's something.
You can buy this too. Look, $1,350. That's not bad. Now they're gonna have a tug of war. They're gonna have two of the steam engines. And they're gonna have a tug of war with the steam engine. Oh, this is gonna be interesting. Just kids. Oh, come on, kids. Come on, kids. You can take it. They're getting there. Oh, they got it. Oh, look at it. Uh-oh, wait a minute. Oh, now she got full power. Oh, no. Oh, we got somebody down. Oh. That was fun. I think everybody, we actually...
The first day of our 3-day show, and this is
kids, yeah.
the second annual reunion of Mission Steam Engine and Thresher.
Alright, my fellow travelers, that's going to be about it for this trip to Mason, Michigan, to the Steam Engine Show out here. This was awesome. Listen, the last time I came here, so I knew when they could do it again, I have to come out and do it again. I mean, you see all these old tractors, you know, they basically built America. I mean, let's be honest about it. I mean, look at this one here. This is the oldest one here, 1899. Can you believe that? 1899, and this thing is still running. Remarkable. See all these things going. This is great, you know. A great day. Wasn't too warm, but it was fun. You know, see all this. Yes. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Share me out. Share me out on social media. Tell your friends, tell your family about me. So I continue traveling and showing you cool stuff like old boss here. So, any comments? Any comments appreciated. Any ideas for me to do? Let me know. I just might show up and do it. So until next time, my fellow travelers, you have a blessed day. And I'll see you around the mitten.